All right, guys, so this is part 2 of organization and planning. So last week we talked about some myth or facts. We cleaned out our backpacks and we talked about keeping our workspace organized. So we're going to first look at this one, and it says pretend you have $86,400 to spend. You're going to take out a piece of paper, a pen or pencil, take 2 minutes to make a list of what you'd like to spend your money on. Whatever you don't spend in a day, you will lose. So make sure that you spend it all. Now, things that you want to consider. How did you spend your money? What was the most important thing? Did any money go unspent? There are 86,400 seconds in each day. How are you spending your time, and are you spending it wisely? Planning can help. So, looking at the planning, there's no one size fits all style of planning. It's different for everyone. However, you do it, there are multiple benefits to using a planner. These help you stay organized. They reduce mental checklists. They keep you motivated and increase productivity. They improve physical health. So, with planning, you want to find the right planner for you. Maybe it's paper, maybe it's electronic. For me, it's actually just a calendar. Now, we're going to watch this video for planning and virtual tips. Okay, things to include in your planner is you want to do school stuff, time for homework, assignments, due dates, test dates, events, and field trips. Important dates would be sporting events, music lessons, birthdays, days off, and then fun things, so like dances and parties and concerts and movies. So when you're using a planner, remember we want to find the right planner for you. You want to make a planner a part of your daily routine, and you want to write down assignments and events as soon as you learn about them. Here are some more tips. You can use a color coding system. So maybe everything that's school related is in blue. Everything that's sports related is in green. And you want to put everything in your planner, and then go ahead and congratulate yourself ahead of time. On the day after a big project is due, schedule a reward appointment, like a meal out with a friend. Then prioritize events. Remember the due dates and the due dates. Consider your have tos and your want tos. So you have to get schoolwork done, you have to do eating and personal hygiene, and you have to sleep. And your want tos can be video games and hanging out and extracurricular activities like sports and band. Your to-do lists. Find a system that works for you. Put tasks on your to-do list, not goals. Break it into smaller tasks and limit yourself to 3 to 5 tasks daily so that you don't get overwhelmed. And practicing. On a worksheet that you should have gotten from your sub, you want to write down all of the tasks. So list all the tasks you're going to get done today. Maybe you're going to get done with school, and then you're going to go home and clean your room, and then you also have to unload the dishwasher. And then things you want to do, things that I want to get done but don't need to get done. So maybe also it's like, oh, at some point I should put away my laundry. But things I need to get done, maybe that would be unloading the dishwasher. And then just go through. And then here are some examples. For your list, divide your tasks into want to and need to. And then this is just going through examples of what it can look like until you have your finished product. And then we're going to keep practicing. So you're going to prioritize tasks that are your responsibility. So things you have to do, prioritize by urgency due date. So do things that take the longest first. And then here we have our examples. Do the English essay, do math worksheets, clean the bathroom. And then you want to break tasks into smaller steps. And then here's an example. Read the essay prompt, make an outline, create a rough draft, have someone proofread it, create the final draft. And then remember to take breaks. And it says, I could take a break after making this outline and again after having someone proofread the essay. And that's all we're doing today. If you have extra time, you can start looking at other types of planning, organization, and things like that. But that is all you're doing today. Bye.